Welcome back to Fictiv Features. I'm Justin. Today, we're killing the analysis paralysis headache when selecting materials. We've all been there, staring at 20 open tabs, trying to cross-reference specs just to find a material that fits. Is it rigid enough to hold the load, but tough enough not to shatter? Meet Materials.AI, the industry's first ChatGPT-powered materials assistant. Built right into the Fictiv platform. Think of it as having an advisor on speed dial 24/7. If you're unsure which material to go with, Materials.AI is honestly a lifesaver. It helps you weigh material trade-offs and gives you instant AI-powered expert guidance. Materials.AI analyzes our materials database and returns ranked material suggestions, helping connect your design intent with real manufacturing considerations. And that's just the start. You can also take the guesswork out of critical tolerances with our SnapFit and PressFit calculators, or use the parts library to lock down your revision control, keeping every iteration organized and secure in one place. Get out of analysis paralysis with Materials.AI.